Okay, so in this video we are going to start a new topic which is C3 cycle, or this is also known as Kelvin cycle. Okay, so why are these both names given to this complete process? We'll discuss, but first let's go with the Kelvin cycle. Like this cycle is also known as biomolecular pathway. Okay, pathway, and Calvin was a scientist. He did this experiment. So this first described by the scientist named as Melvin Calvin, and his colleague as well, which was Benson. So that's why this cycle is known as Calvin cycle, whereas his friend also did this. So that's why he is also known as this is also known as Calvin Benson cycle. Calvin Benson cycle. Okay, then yes, he described the complete process which I'll discuss, but this is the basic introduction which I'm going to give you in this video. Then in 1961, in 1961, and the scientist Kelvin also get the Nobel Prize for his work. Okay, then this complete process was done by the like in C3 plants. That's what done in the C3 plants. And C3 plants here are the rice or the wheat or blue green algae as well. Wheat and rice. Okay, then we have, and yes, very important point that the Kelvin cycle. Kelvin cycle is a universal cycle. Is universal cycle. This is universal cycle. So this means if this the universal cycle, so might possible you'll be thinking that we will also have few other cycles. So what are these? We have C4 cycle. C4, C3. C4 is like the H and Z pathway. And second, C4 pathway has chem plants, and this is basically not a topic, but in this video we are going to discuss. Yes, later on we'll also discuss the C4 cycle as well. So now, why does we get the name C3 here? C3 just because after the reaction, the first stable product for C3. So that's why that's known as C3 cycle. अच्छा हाँ, और ये सारा जो experiment and this complete experiment was done in radioactive element. Why radioactive? Just because these are easy to like detect or